What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do and I greatly appreciate it. Getting into the video here, I've got my garage door opener right here, the actual button press that I use in my vehicles to open up my garage door. Came out to it not working this morning. Had to actually do some work on the garage the previous day and had to unplug my actual opener right here, which is the MyQ from LiftMaster. And again, came out this morning to use my garage door opener to get out with the work truck here, and I got nothing. So as you can see, pressing the button, no garage door opener. So I'm going to show you guys how to reset this. Almost dropped it in, snapped it in half, but luckily I caught it. Good hands. But I'm going to show you guys how to reset this. So what you're going to do is come over to your actual, and you're going to find the learn button. So open it up, find the learn button. My learn button is right here, this yellow one here for the MyQ LiftMaster. As you see, this green light is on right now. So what we have to do is erase all the codes in the actual opener. And then once all the codes are erased, then repress our learn button here and then hold down our opener button to reprogram this. So let's do that right now. I'm going to press and hold this. Okay, you see that light just went off there. So now all the codes have been erased in here. We're going to press it once, and then we're going to press and hold the button on our actual remote here. So pressing it and holding it. You saw that flash right there. So now the remote has been programmed to the actual opener. So let's get down here and see if it will open now. And there we go. Success. All the way up. Make sure it goes all the way down. Pressing it again. All right, success. That is how you reprogram your garage door openers. One quick tip here, just make sure you guys are pressing the correct buttons here. For different machines, the button might be a different color. It might be red or purple. On this one, it is yellow. And make sure your indicator goes on and off and the light blinks to make sure that you guys correctly reprogrammed the actual remote. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.